the Omari JJ, the trader from the villages, the only quote that is a Jaguar. Malume Forex. I have something to tell you today. Yes. People always think these ones are bluffing when we tell them that Forex is risky and you can lose all your funds. As you can see, 20,000 was deposited on the 30th, which was New Year. I was thinking that, bruh, it's New Year, I'm gonna make money, bruh. And then what happened is I blew that 20,000. And then today, it's the 3rd of January. Then I decided to deposit another 20,000. So you really need funds to trade Forex. That's a mentality you guys must know. And it's a real account. As you can see, we're trading that account. As you can see right now, we were able to double the account and make back all the money that we had lost before. So if I deposited the money that I was not willing to lose, I would have been saying Forex is a scam and say I'll never trade Forex again because I'd lost 20,000. So because I've deposited the amount of money that I'm willing to lose, I didn't have depression. I didn't need to go to a mental institution because I blew that 20,000. I didn't have to appear on the television episode of I blew it because of 20,000. But here I am. I was able to recover. Think about the situation that I had of blowing 20,000 and not do revenge trading and relax and don't deposit another 20,000 at the same time after I blew that. I had to sit down and relax for 3 days, and then after 3 days I came back as a stronger man and deposited another 20. I'm currently trading that 20, and here I am doubling that 20 and making quite a lot of money from it. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I just had to tell you these secrets that you must have money to trade, and if you still see that you do not have enough sufficient funds, try Betway, my brother. You can come back to Forex after that. So here we are. We've made back the money that we blew and we're on profits. So we are in profits of 33,000 and we've made back the money that we've lost in the week. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Omari Jago, the Omari JJ, the trader from the villages, the only quote that is a Jago. Malume Forex. Happy New Year. I hope this motivation helps you throughout the whole year.
Have you been looking for a reliable broker or looking to upgrade to a safer broker that values its customers and has a history in the industry? Well guys, look no further than AAA FX. This broker has 14 years industry experience. This means they've been in business from over a decade, and their ability to work with the customer is amazing, as they make the customer success their top priority. AAA FX is an online broker that is based in Athens, Greece, founded in 2008, and it has traders in 176 countries around the world. On their platform, there are over 200 instruments to trade. They offer 3 trading platforms, of which it is the most popular one, MT4, and the next generation platform, MT5, and the most advanced technology platform, FXTrader. You can trade using your desktop devices, laptops, iOS, Android, cell phone, and tablet, so that you can be able to execute those trades while you're on the move. As of 2022, they are current winners of the most transparent broker by UF Awards. Why should you join them? Well, I'm gonna tell you why I chose to join them. Well, besides having my favorite instruments, which are the currencies, since I'm a Forex trader, you also find instruments like indices, which works great for me since I also trade Nasdaq and US 30. There are shares in spot metals and a vast number of other CSDs and commodities you can choose from. When I make my deposit, I receive 100% deposit bonus, which means I've got nothing to lose but something to gain. And you can make your deposit at the minimum of $100 only. One thing that stands out about them for me, it is that since I'm a Forex trader on over 70 currency pairs, they've got 0 pip spread and also 0 commission upon executing your trade. AAA FX team of professionals are available to assist you 24 hours from Monday to Friday for any challenge that you may come across. Furthermore, AAA AAA FX has a Zulu trade copy trade system, which allows you to copy the trade of the professional traders who have been trading in the industry, and also saving you time and hassle of having to analyze and always in front of your screen. So you can just copy any successful trader's trades on their system. As the Zulu trade system ranks each and every trader's success rate over a period of time, you can also copy the trades of that successful trader on that given week. So take it from me, Mr. Forex and beyond, and place your first trade with AAA FX in less than 15 minutes. And before you do that, you're gonna need to register with them, of which it takes only a minute. And these are the following documents that you're gonna need: your ID photo, your proof of residence, and you can deposit instantly using their over 10 methods of deposit available on their system. And from there, you can start your successful trading journey. And for more details or to register, click the link in the description box and start trading, and let your trading journey begin. Good luck.